Hello my friends and welcome. My name is Dennis and sorry for the windy weather. Probably you won't hear me correctly because of the wind noise. But here is my Dnepr 16 motorcycle and today we're gonna ride this thing on off-road. Alright guys, so we are in the forest. As you can see, we have the sand road here and the sand is like a dust. Just want to show you. I was here in this road riding the Honda Transalp. It's a tour enduro motorcycle. It was very hard to ride the Honda Transalp here. It was very unstable because sometimes this sand is very deep. Not here, but not at this side, but here it is very deep, as you may see, and it's very hard to control the steering. But here is Dnepr 16. I have the two-wheel drive. Also I have the differential brake in case I need it. And I hope you like the video from this spot. I got the tripod here today with me and I'll film some part of this video from this side. I think it will be very interesting. Well, my friends, what can I say? Let's try to ride this motorcycle here. Let's start it and let's go. I still have maybe some problems with carburetors because not enough power, but you know, this engine is a little bit clumsy. Come on, let's start. I don't know why, but whoa, where are you going? But then the engine is hot, it hardly starts. I don't know why. I need to tune the carburetors, I need to tune the valves, and also I have, as you see, we have the wire damage, so I need to isolate this wire, or I need to buy the new one, the new wire. And let's just go. Nice. Wow, it's good in the sand. The second gear. Wow, the road is very bumpy. Wow, it is. We have some of the hills, but I can control this motorcycle. It's fun to ride it here. Much easier than Transalp. Boom, boom, boom. Nice. I think I should put the camera somewhere on that spot for you to see everything. So I'll just shut the video over here. It will be very interesting, I think. I don't have the mic with me, so just a sand road and enjoy. Let's start the thing. Let's go. Hey, it was fantastic. I can compare it with Honda Transalp because I like it a lot. Wow, it's very not hard to control this motorcycle at all. I have the fun riding it here. It's a little bit bumpy, but I like it. Some of the cars here, and yes, this is my bike. And it's fantastic on this sandy road, my friends. I really enjoy riding it. I didn't think that I'll have this kind of experience. Oh, cars feel okay here. Yeah, nice spot for filming. It's already shaking a little bit, but I hope the video quality will be more or less okay. And now I'll put the camera on my helmet. I just want to continue vlogging, my friends. What a fresh air here in the forest. Very nice. Let's go, my friends. Let's ride. Well, so far I enjoy it. I just so love the off-road on this motorcycle. Let's go. Where should we go? I think this way. Some of the stones here, and the road is more or less okay. Riding with a little bank. Third gear. Wow, what a nice feeling, my friends. I don't need to catch this motorcycle. I don't need to follow the unstable steering like on Transalp. Here, just relax and ride. Well, I need to take care also, especially in the right turns, since I do have the sidecar. By the way, I put some of the stones into the sidecar for weight balancing, because I don't have the other man or girl with me on the sidecar. But yes, it's the same place where I was riding my Honda Transalp, and this motorcycle I think was made for roads like this. I think we go to the left over here. It's much easier, much easier. I think Some company need to design the motorcycle with a sidecar with nice engines, you know, not only Ural. As for Dnepr, we no longer have Dnepr motorcycles. It's bankrupt and the factory was sold. But just look at it. Woohoo! Nice. I like it. What a nature. And it's very easy for me. Very, very easy. Where should we go? There or there? I think we need to go there. So I think some of the company needs to develop this kind of bikes, but with more reliable engines. Because this boxer engine is so unreliable. I'm afraid to ride it for long distances. Even here, if something happens, and it may happen, I mean the breakdown, because this engine is very unreliable. So I'm just waiting for some kind of sidecar. We have only custom-made sidecars so far, I mean with good engines, even but no two-wheel drive, only Urals and Dneprs. What a nice ride, my friends, what a nice ride. Woohoo! Fisherman. It's a little bit narrow here. Hope I'll be fine. Today no bees here. Oh God, what are you doing? Go backwards. Thanks. Such a nice ride. Deep sand, not a problem. Go uphill, no problem either. Wow. I'm just afraid of left banks, you know, right turns and left banks, because this thing is very unstable on right turns. Wow. What a nice thing, this Dnepr. Wow. Let's go to the sand. I'm sure I can handle it afterwards. Yeah, what a nice nature. Yeah, that is why you need this kind of motorcycle. I just want to cool down the engine a little bit and cool down myself. Whoa. This sand is very deep here. There it's fine, but here it's very, very deep. Nice. I like this bike. I'm like a kid, like a child with a big toy. Oh, nice. Still, I'm a little bit tired, but you know, my friends, I like it. I like it a lot. just look at the sand, you know, it's kind of deep. It's like a dust everywhere. And I can handle it. It's the rubber I have. And so far I haven't selected the differential block for this motorcycle. Oh, nice. What a nice bike. Just want to show you something. Oh, come on. Lots of sand here. Here are the stones. The stones that I took with me. So there's the box and stones inside. Just for weight distribution to the sidecar. Yeah, I need maybe more reliable engine for this motorcycle. Yeah, just look at it. Nice motorcycle for these roads. Perfect. If it had reliable engine, it would have been the perfect motorcycle for adventure rides, for tourism, motorcycle tourism, because you have a lot of space in your sidecar. Also, you may put lots of bags, cargo baggage everywhere, and its motorcycle is perfect for tourism. So that is why maybe in better future, maybe I'll change this engine for probably BMW or something, because this thing is not really reliable. And yes, my friends, what a nice nature here. What a nice view. And I'll miss the summer. The autumn is already here, September. It's now September, so the winter is coming, but I may ride this motorcycle also in winter time conditions, on the snow, maybe even here. And what do we have here? Let's see. Uphill. Maybe you won't see this on the camera because of the fish eye Sony Action Cam lens, but I can see quite high hill, quite steep hill. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put the camera on my motorcycle and we're gonna ride uphill there, and then we'll just cool down the engine again. I'm like a kid. What? Nice! What a nice motorcycle! I'm just gonna show it to you, my friends. Just look at it. Oh, it's time for differential block now. Oh, nice, perfect motorcycle. I wonder if we may go uphill over here. I wonder if we can do it with differential block. Just look at it. Nice, what a deep sand there. Woohoo! Yeah, the exhaust tubes are a little bit lower. I would like to have them on going upper, but I may have some burns on my legs. That's why it's more or less okay so far. Yeah, it's very deep. Nice. Nice. I'll take some pictures and later on I'll get out from this place. Alright, let's see it, my friends. Here's the bike. Now I'll put my camera over here. Maybe you'll see something from this position. And I'm just gonna get out from this place. We'll see if I'll be lucky. First, I would like to go forward using the differential block. And maybe I need to go backward, because for forward maybe the engine power will not be enough. We'll see. Fire! 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 Something happened! Something happened! Ooh. Seems like we have burned clutch. I think so. So we're stuck here. Yeah, I just burned the clutch. Terrible. Terrible. Yeah, I'm so damn stupid. Alright, what should I do? I should call Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. We have a problem, Houston. We definitely have a big problem here. Very big. Well, let's figure out what should I do. So my friends, that is what I'm talking about. This motorcycle is unreliable. Let's try to start it. Have some smoke coming from the clutch, but anyway, let's try to do it. Yeah, we okay? Let's go home. Go home, my friends, because otherwise we may stuck over here. Take it easy. Just go home. First gear on this kind of road, doing, oh my god, doing 35 miles an hour. Perfect motorcycle. Just a little bit unreliable, but anyway, wow, I like it. I like it a lot. Ouch. Oh, maybe I'll stop here. Whew. Yeah, you see? You're riding. Nice. Absolutely fantastic. Woo. Woo. Yeah. This motorcycle is superb. It is really hot. Yeah. Hot engine. So I'll cool down a little bit, then I'll go again. I like it, guys. I so much like the Sidecar motorcycle. Just look at it. It's very dirty. Nice. What a pleasure to ride it. But as I say to you, I'm just afraid to stuck somewhere, because this thing is not reliable. Maybe I should put the engine and the gearbox from BMW GS motorcycle or something. It looks very similar to this engine, but the BMW engines are more reliable, far more reliable. So I'll probably leave this final drive and two-wheels drive, and maybe, I don't know when, then I'll have the money, I'll buy the engine. But so far I don't need it, because I have the new engine from Dnepr just in my garage. So I just need some time to remove this engine and put another one. I don't know why, but something burned here. We have the thick smoke from this part I had I think I burned the clutch, but I smelled it. It smells like burnt rubber. So first I thought we lost some kind of this linkage, rubber metal linkage over there. But I think I burned the clutch. But why do I smell rubber? I don't know. Why did I smell rubber? Maybe, and I can smell it even right now. The rubber smell, and I don't know what it could be. Maybe some seal, rubber seal, and I don't know why, but I can select gears more easily right now. And yes, I don't know why. I don't know. Maybe I burned this thing, but the smoke was from that part. I don't know, guys. I don't really know. But I burned something. Not the engine, I'm sure about it. I think I burned something in the gearbox or inside the engine. I don't know what. Alright, let's go home. Let's go home, my friends. I hope I'll start this engine up. Come on, where is the nitro? Nice! As for start, it's very good. Very nice. Just have problems maybe with the gearbox. Or no. Now it's okay. Let's go home. Yeah, nice. The clutch is working, so I don't see any big problems for now. I think it was the rubber seal there. That's because of the, I don't know where the seal is located, but I put the clutch and I put the throttle on, you know, put on gas just a lot. So this is why probably we lost one seal in the gearbox. Maybe, I don't know. But for now it's okay. It's working. But I have the clutch, so without the clutch I won't be able to ride like I ride right now. The acceleration is more or less okay, as usual. So maybe I have just some light problems. I don't know. For now, I may ride it, and it's the main thing, my friends. I think we have some problems with the engine, my friends, because at some point the RPM drops. I don't know why. Maybe we have some problem with the, like now. So the RPM drops. Maybe we have some problems with the fuel valve. I think the RPM dropped. I don't know what to do. We're almost there. We're almost at home. Come on. What can it be? I think it may be the low fuel distribution. Let's go to the third gear. Let's run it until it runs. It runs. But I feel that the engine is coming down little by little. Something is wrong with it, but so far we are able to ride it. Come on. Oh, my friends, I don't want to fail. On my way back. Come on. We need to go home. I don't want to call to evacuation. It seems like we have problem with fuel, I think. I already had problem with the fuel valve, so maybe, oh no, I see it's full of fuel, so I wonder what is this. It's dying. It is dying. It is dying. The second gear, come on. No, it's dead. It's dead. It's almost there. It's almost dead. It's almost dead. Come on, no cars. Second gear, come on. We can do it. Come on, we can do it. After this hill, I think we have problems with clutch. Definitely problems with clutch. Third gear, come on, come on, come on. We are in the full throttle. I wonder if I can do it till my home. On the third gear. We're almost home. No, actually I need around to cover at least, I think, 5 kilometers to get back home, or maybe 6. It's quite a lot for these conditions. Oh my god, we have engine failure. We have it. Oh my god, no. I think I lost the clutch. The second gear. We are riding on the second gear. Yeah, maybe we need to stop somewhere. Let's go here. All so far. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, we can do it. Oh, my friends. It's interesting ride today. I think I burned the clutch, I burned everything. Or maybe I have... Oh, now it's running. Now it's not running. On the third gear again. It's Dnepr, baby. It's Dnepr, baby. It runs. It still runs. It's dying little by little, but it runs. Oh, why I'm so happy, I don't know. Why I'm so happy. Okay, we are now in Boryspil. Perfect. Perfect. That's the Boryspil. Yeah, I made it. I made it, my friends. I don't want to call to evacuation. Maybe I'll just take it. If the engine stops, I will take it by my own hands, you know. Oh my god, it's dying again. I can hear strange noises coming from the engine. It's dying. It's saying goodbye to me and to you, my friends. It's terrible. It's terrible. It's dying. But why I'm so happy? Because I am still riding. That is why I'm still riding my motorcycle. Probably I will remove this engine and put the other engine. I put the full throttle. Full throttle. Oh, it's very funny. Very funny. It's Dnepr, baby. Dnepr. It runs. It still can run. No, now it runs better. Oh. Oh, one cylinder wants to say goodbye to me. No, your goodbye not accepted. Come on, we can do it. We can run. Full throttle. Okay, one cylinder is saying goodbye to me. Now it runs. It runs. Oh, maybe I have this problem with the spark plug. No? No. It's okay. No, the engine is dead. Yeah, boom, boom. The engine is dead, my friends. It is dead. But we can still run. We're on the ride. It's like Evil Dead. We're riding the Evil Dead motorcycle. And it started to shoot into the muffler. Such a funny thing. Such a funny thing. Oh my god, I just destroyed my engine today. But I had fun. Actually, I have two spare engines. One from Ural motorcycle, which I'll probably put here, and the other one from Dnepr. The new one, the new spare parts installed from, I would say Western-made spare parts. Come on! The car is riding just little by little. It's driving little by little. Kid is there watching me. Hello! Oh, now it runs better. I don't know why. Come on! Come on! What is happening to this motorcycle? I don't know. Now it runs okay. Maybe we have some problems with the fuel distribution, but I don't want to look there for now. I want to come to my garage and see it. I think this engine is still alive. Yeah, it is. Now it's much better. Yeah, we definitely have some problems with the ignition or with the fuel distribution, not with the clutch, because now it runs okay. Strange, very strange. Now it's normal ride. Don't know what is happening there, my friends. I just don't know. Yeah, now it's okay. Wow. Great. So it may fix on its own. I love Dnepr. Then you think that it's over, it starts to work again. Alright, now it's working fine. But maybe, just maybe, the fuel was not enough. Yeah, I see that for the right cylinder the fuel is not enough. Maybe because of this valve. For left it's okay, but the right is empty. This one is barely empty. Now it's fully empty. That is why I had some problems. That is why, my friends. So I need to check out why don't we have the fuel here. And probably I'll change this valve over here. And I still can smell the burned rubber. Nice. Nice that we have at least one cylinder running okay. Thank you, my friends, for watching this video. Press the like button if you like it, and press dislike if you dislike it, but it's better to press the like. Thank you very much for watching this video. It was an interesting day for me. Finally I arrived to my garage, and yeah, I love this bike. I love this bike, and I'm happy that I have a couple of gearboxes and a couple of engines with me.